Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to be taking a look at auditing. Now, auditing is a new functionality only available in CRM 2011. It was not available in CRM 4, and it basically gives users the ability to see what data has been changed within a record and by whom. First, we're going to take a look at how to actually set up the auditing, and then we're going to take a look at an example of how auditing actually works. I'm going to be using the web version to show you this show you this video, but I can confirm it's exactly the same process on the Outlook version. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the auditing settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go into settings here, and I'm going to click on the option for auditing. First thing we must do is go into global audit settings. And when we go into global audit settings, please make sure that, I'll do that again, the starting auditing is ticked. And for the moment starting auditing is ticked, it means that any fields where you've enabled auditing would automatically record data that's in that field or how the data's been changed by default. We've also got an option here to audit user access, so the system could actually record when users access the system and when they have not, or when they've logged out. Okay, so I'm going to make sure those two boxes are ticked. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And then next we have the entity and field audits settings. Now, when you click on this option, by default it's just going to open up the default solution. And that within there it will allow you to basically go through the different entities and the fields and make sure you want those fields enabled. As an example here, I'm going to go ahead and open up my opportunity, go to fields, and I'm just going to double click to show you the probability, just to show you that probability has the auditing automatically enabled here. Okay. Next we have the audit summary view, and this view is just a chronological listing of transactions across records and users. So basically it lists all the auditing that takes place throughout the entire system. And there it is. Okay. And as I mentioned, as long as the global audit settings you tick the start auditing, then by default automatically start auditing the fields within the chosen entities. So what we're going to do now is take a look and see how that works. So I'm going to jump back into my sales, and this time I'm going to pick on opportunities. So I'm going to go to opportunities and let's do 0 degrees. So I'm going to open up that opportunity, and as I know that probability is an auditing field, I'm going to change the value from 69 to 78, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now if we go into the audit history, you would actually see the system timestamps when the change occurred, by whom, what the old value is, and what the new value is. As I mentioned before, the auditing will work where you can go into individual records and see what changes have been made for that record, or you can go to the auditing summary report, which will show you all auditing throughout the entire CRM system. Okay, so I've just showed you how to set up the audit settings and how to use that within records. Thank you.